NotebookLM cinematic video overviews just change everything about AI video generation. You can take 50 pages of dense research notes and turn them into a full cinematic video. I'm talking about animations, charts, and cinematic footage, all automatically generated from your own material. No editors, no animation software, no production team. That's exactly what NotebookLM just unlocked with its cinematic video overviews. And it might completely change how AI video is created. Let me break it down. If you've used NotebookLM before, you already know what it does well. It takes your notes and turns them into narrated slide presentations. Great for simple explanations. But the moment you feed it something complex, like a research paper, a dataset, or even a mathematical proof, those rigid slides start falling apart. Because complex ideas don't fit neatly into slides, they need animations, visual storytelling, and context. And that exact limitation is why NotebookLM is now rolling out cinematic video overviews. The entire system runs on something called agentic video. Here's the simple way to think about it. Most AI tools follow templates. You give them input, they fill in the blanks. But agentic video works completely differently. The AI acts like a creative director. It reads your material, makes decisions, and builds the entire visual structure from scratch based on what your content actually needs. So instead of a slideshow generator, think documentary producer. And that's the foundation of this system. It all starts with Gemini analyzing the content you upload. But it doesn't just read the material, it decides how the video should be structured. Should this be a fast tutorial or a deep dive documentary? Once that structure is locked in, Gemini shifts into project manager mode. It breaks the entire video into scenes, and then routes each scene to specialized AI models. 3 tools. 3 very specific jobs. First is Gemini 2.5 Pro. This model handles code-based animations, precise visuals like historical maps, algorithm breakdowns, or scientific diagrams. The kind of content that traditional image generators would completely hallucinate. Next is Imagen 4. Its job is visual consistency. Every chart, every graphic, every diagram follows the same design language, so the viewer never loses track of the information. And finally, there's Veo 3. This is what generates the cinematic footage, atmospheric B-roll, environmental scenes, visual storytelling that makes the video feel produced, not just generated. Once all 3 models finish their work, something interesting happens. Gemini comes back and reviews everything, like its own editor. It checks for visual mistakes, improves the narrative flow, and fixes inconsistencies. That self-critique loop is what turns a folder full of AI clips into one clean, polished story. Right now, cinematic video overviews are available in English for Google AI Ultra subscribers, age 18 and up. You can access it on web and mobile, and the original audio explainer format is still fully supported. But Google says more features are coming soon, including dynamic music, sound effects, and multiple voice actors. So this is really just the beginning. Here's the big takeaway. This is the first tool that combines precise technical animation, consistent visual design, cinematic footage, all generated directly from your own material. That combination has never existed before in one place. And the people learning how to use it right now are going to have a serious advantage later. If you want a full hands-on walkthrough showing exactly how to use this from start to finish, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. That video is dropping very soon. And in the comments, tell me this. What kind of content would you turn into a cinematic video first? I'll see you in the next one.